Happy birthday, Praveer. I can't say I'm not disappointed for missing a big 22nd, but hopefully Faraz, Kripa, Sayam, and all your other friends will make it a memorable one for you. And yeah, have an amazing day.
Hey Praveer, happy birthday. Have a great day. Stay safe. थोड़ा भंड कम रहियो बस अपने बर्थडे पे. बेशक दो चार रशियन बुला लियो, ठीक है? Have a great day.
Hey Praveer, happy birthday, man. Hope you have the best year and an amazing day. Party hard, drink well, drink a lot, like drink CC a lot. And yeah, man, have the best day and happy birthday once again.
Hello, Mama. Happy birthday. So I miss you a lot, and it's been so long. We need to hang out. So meet me really soon. Also, when are you gonna video call me? Like you promised it a long time back, and you still haven't called me. Still waiting for that video call and reply to my texts.
Happy birthday, Balveer.
Hey Praveer, happy birthday, man. I couldn't be there for you this year, but definitely next year we'll party hard.
Happy birthday! May God bless you with all the love and good health and success in the world and tons of wisdom because we both know you need it. And may God also take away some of your luck and give it to me. And thank you for always covering my ass. And just know that I'm going to stick with you through to the end, no matter how many times I say otherwise.
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रवीर. पार्टी केयरफुली. अगर अगला साल देखना है तो बाकी हैव फन, एंजॉय अ डे. या हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Babe. Have a great day. Many happy returns of the day and have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, man. Have a good day. Have a good party tonight. And let's make a plan to catch up sometime soon.
Hi Praveer, happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day and I wish you lots of happiness.
Happy birthday, Praveer. Almost my birthday twin. Have fun. Be safe today. I hope we meet soon. काफ़ी दारू वारू पीना. जाते इस गाड़ी मत चलाना. Take care of yourself. Take care of Kripa. Have fun and enjoy.
Happy birthday, Praveer. Hope this birthday be one of the best birthday of your life. You are one of the most generous person I have ever met in my life. And take care of yourself. Take care of Kripa. And thank you for helping me whenever I needed your help. Love Kripa as you do, क्योंकि जान है वो मेरी. Happy birthday. Take care.
Happy birthday, Praveer. Have a great birthday this year. It's your day, and I can't wait to celebrate it with you. It's been 6 months that we know each other, and ऐसा लगता है कि काफी टाइम से जानते हैं यार हम.
Happy birthday, Adi. May God bless you with good health, good values, and life free of addictions. May you understand the value of relations, and may God, I pray to God to fulfill all your dreams. Amen.
Happy birthday, Adi. Wish you a very long, happy, healthy, and fun-filled life. God bless you.
Hi Praveer, happy birthday. Truth है.
Start. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
to
you.
you.
Happy birthday, Praveer.
Praveer.
Hope we meet soon.
We are waiting to party with you in college.
Yeah, and we'll meet you at Yellow Box. I'm gonna have a lot of fun.
Bye.
One thing we
Happy birthday, Praveer. Smoke till you die.
चलो यार.
3 2 1 तो बोल यार.
अच्छा ओके.
पैराग्लाइडिंग में बंदे को बोला 3 2 1 बोलियो मालूम
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Praveer. Happy birthday to you.
Everything. But if I had to choose something, it would be his absolute need to be a pain in the ass. Like, I'd be calmly sitting or resting or sleeping or something, and he'll make a special effort to come and slap me with his cold, disgusting hands because he just felt like it.
And the most annoying thing about you is that you get in a lot of trouble. And
the most annoying thing about you is probably also the most liked thing about you as well, which is that you give no fucks at all. I really think you should start giving some though.
इतने सारे चूज़ करने को, लेकिन सबसे अनोइंग है तेरी अनपंक्चुअलिटी. इस बार फ्लाइट मैंने तेरे वजह से ही मिस की थी, और एटलीस्ट पप्पी को तो पिकअप करने टाइम से चल जाइए.
Well, there isn't anything annoying I have ever found about you, but I will advise you थोड़ा ड्रग्स कम करा कर भाई, जब देखो हाई रहता है हमेशा, ठीक है?
Alright, the most annoying thing, this should be easy, but yeah, दूसरों की चप्पल मत पहना अगर भोसड़ी के.
Another thing that's really annoying is his laziness and procrastination. So if you tell him to do something, he'll procrastinate it to the point that you'll end up doing it yourself. So yeah, and laziness. He'll randomly call me up at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. in the morning to tell me to make him food because he's too lazy to come downstairs and make it himself, and he'll die of starvation if I don't.
So the next question is the most annoying thing about you. I mean, there is nothing most annoying thing about you other than you, man. You are the most annoying thing.
So, one annoying thing about Praveer. I have many. Unhygienic, unorganized, learn to keep things to yourself and practice gratitude. You should.
So, the most annoying thing about you would be that, yeah, the fact that you do not reply to texts. That's really annoying at times.
Annoying thing about you, and you don't have anything annoying about you. I've always enjoyed your company. It's a fucking annoying question.
The most annoying thing about you is your habit of smoking.
Most annoying thing about him? He is the most irresponsible person. Come कह दो तो बस भूल जाओ.
Also, one last thing that is super annoying about him is his urge to know everything that is going on in my life or anybody else's.
One thing we hate about you?
Your side pose.
To be honest, Praveer, भाई तू नहीं है भाई annoying. किसी भी वे में नहीं है भाई. Cheers to that.
ब्रो 5 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ मैं, तो बस पहुंच गया.
और जॉइंट कभी टाइम पे रोल कर दिया कर. Just don't promise about rolling, do it.
बस
So my favorite thing about you is you are very fun loving. लाइफ को अच्छे से enjoy करता है, बिना बात की टेंशन नहीं लेता है, थोड़ा chill रहता है.
You're a good guy, man. Like, it's probably the best trait about you. You help everyone. And मेरी कितनी help करी assignments में. I learned how to properly plagiarize because of you. I even I even submitted one of my assignment like जो तूने करा था as my own. So thank you for that, and thank you so much for helping me and helping everyone around you.
So, my favorite thing about you would be that I can meet you at the oddest hours or just randomly, and you will have something to say. And anything you say is like super fucking entertaining. So, I really like how I can talk to you at any time, and I will come out feeling better about things. And most of the times, it's something really productive.
One favorite thing about Praveer. Always has a solution to everything. Yeah.
So my favorite thing about him is that he lives life to the fullest and loves insanely when he does, and just revels in the moment.
the thing I love about you is that you're always there for your friends. Be the same. एंड हाँ हम नहीं मिल पाए हैं बट कोई ना सुन
You carry a great fucking vibe, bro.
Well, despite your flaws, there are a lot of things to like about you. And one of the things that stands out is you genuinely go out of your way, even when it's not required, to help people you deeply care about.
Okay. So our favorite thing about you is
Free drugs.
your jolly nature.
The next question is one favorite thing about Praveer, Meri Jaan, Praveer. I just know that you're there for me. You have my back. That's one favorite thing about you.
One thing which I like about you is your honesty.
Favorite thing? खुश रहता.
फेवरेट थिंग भाई कभी मना ही नहीं करता फूकने को, जितना फुकवाना है फुकवा लो.
फेवरेट
ये रहने देना, हमने पूरा गाना भी तो गा दिया.
Well, इतने सारे वर्ड है डिस्क्राइब करने को, but if I had to choose one that would be most apt, it would be caring.
Okay, so if I have to describe you in one word or sentence, then I will say you are a very fun-loving person.
Praveer is chill.
Definitely a party person.
If I have to describe you in one word, that word would be materialistic.
Few words to describe him would be passionate about the people and things he loves, bhondu, jugadu, and honest.
So, in one word, I would say you are amazing.
Next question is describe Praveer in one word or one sentence. I hope I will give that answer to you personally.
Describe Praveer in a word or a sentence. I have one word. Chaos. Chaos.
Chaos is a ladder.
Okay, start.
Yeah.
Describe him in one word. Best
Man
peddler in a hostel.
The man bun guy.
भाई तेरे को डिस्क्राइब, तू भाई विज खलीफा, तेरा भाई स्नूप डॉग.
Describe him in one word. Fukra.
लव यू भाई.
Love you, bro.
bye love you
Love you.
Love you. Fuck you.
Love you.
Love you, Meri Jaan. Take care. Have a great year ahead. See you soon. Bye bye.
I love you.
Love you, Balveer.
Love you, bro.
Love you, Praveer.
They've shared a lot of memories with each other. और जो फन की है वो रात को नाइट आउट्स पे स्नीक मार के, एंड आई विश द बॉन्ड रिमेन्स द सेम, एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. एंजॉय योर डे, ब्रो.
Now, I'd sign off by saying, even though I joke about you being a complete idiot and a fool, which I think you are, but strictly speaking, you're one of the smartest people I know. And even though it's very cliched to say this, I wish you all the success for your future endeavors. तो जैसे अंकल जैसे ही साउंड कर रहा हूँ मैं, but I mean it. And I consider myself really lucky to have you as a friend. And इस वीडियो में तो मुझे love you bullshit बोलना चाहिए था, लेकिन भावनाएं समझ जा. And P.S. You have a great girlfriend in Kripa.
थ्री टू वन
Love you.
बस यार इतना बहुत है ब्रो, इतने में वो खुश हो जाएगा. नहीं छोड़ देंगे दोस्ती.